You have to have that 1% of imperfection daily and have that positive mindset, because again, with the Detroit Chat GPT Revolution, how to create an Udemy course with Chat GPT and leveraging other AI tools in 2023, it's a change maker. This is not an overnight process, but what it is number one, showing value to someone that needs something as well. Number two, it's going to be a lead magnet that can actually generate income for you as you advertise, because the passion in your why is going to be built into the course, because passion products are in for 2023. It's going to be available in video content, interactive, and it's going to be created with AI. So my whole goal of my channel is to show entrepreneurs that you can make money online as well as use artificial intelligence tools to be able to grow your brand, your business, and transform into the billionaire brand that you have within. So if you have it already within and you leverage tools like Chat GPT, I mean, take Elon Musk, for example. Tesla has automated self-driving cars and literally is taking advantage of the technology as this entrepreneur is growing and building every year. Affiliated with OpenAI, affiliated with StockX. That's the thing, the change. You can make change by taking action.